Okay, I filmed 20 minutes ago, okay? And it's even worse now, and it hasn't let up at all. That's 20 minutes of torrential downpour. That's craziness. That's craziness right there, and I absolutely love nature. Let her rain, let her flood. Hee-hoo! Man, oh man, oh man. Hey! What's it look like out front? I had to kick the door open because that piston broke right there. Slammed me right in the head. All right, let's take a look. Okay. This is some beautiful weather out here. And you know what the greatest thing about rain is? You don't have to shovel that stuff. Beautiful. Whew. Holy Hannah. Well, the eavesdropping is not handling this very well. Not a chance in hell. Whew. Uh-oh, it's picking up again. It's picking up again. Just a nice light little rain there, you know, just light rain. It's okay, it's all good. Holy crap, I don't want to walk out there. But that street has 5 inches of rain on it. The water's just standing. Well, look it. There's no curb. I can't zoom in. I don't think. No. Not with this piece of junk. But there's no curb. That's how high the water is. That's incredible. Bring out sandbags. Winnipeg's are gonna flood again. Love it. I'd like to go walk in that, but I get soaked and that ain't cool. Yeah, fuck it. We're gonna go for it. Okay. I've been out here 2 seconds and I'm soaked. Look at this water. Look at this water. Look at. Look how deep it is. Watch. Man, is that cold? Okay, that's deep. This is the street, guys. The frickin' street. Look at it. Whew. Hey, this is beautiful. Beautiful right here. Look at my old piece of junk shoes. Son of a bitch, that's craziness. Whew. Needless to say, I'm quite soaked. But I'm actually having fun, which is weird. But, yeah. Anyway, I just gotta go get dried off now and bring out my shoes. See ya.